Hello, good morning. This is Mrs. T again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is combining like terms part 2. I'm going to give you guys some examples about combining like terms or simplifying an expression that is a little bit complicated compared to part 1. Let's say you have 5x minus 2x plus x. Now you have to combine three terms. You have 5x, 2x, and x. It's like saying 5 apples minus 2 apples plus 1 apple. Remember what I said in part 1? If a variable is by itself, the coefficient of it is automatic 1. So 5x minus 2x, that will be 3x. And 3x plus 1x, or 3x plus x, is going to be 4x. So the final answer is 4x. So now you know that you can also combine three terms and not just two. Another example is 6y plus y plus 3 minus 2. So the terms that you need to combine, of course, are the terms that have the same variable. In this case, you have 6y and y. So let's put 1 in here so you don't get confused. And then we can combine 3 and 2. Since this is subtraction, of course you're going to subtract the two numbers. So why are we combining 6 and 1? Because they both have the same variable. And why are we subtracting 3 and 2? Because they are both numbers with no variable. So 6y plus 1y is 7y. And then 3 minus 2 is 1, positive 1. So your final answer is 7y plus 1. Another example. So you have negative 3x minus 2x plus 5. So what are the terms that we have to combine? You have negative 3 and negative 2. Remember that negative 3x minus 2x is the same thing as negative 3x plus negative 2x plus 5. And what is negative plus negative? That will be negative 5x plus 5. I'm going to provide more examples about subtracting integers on my next video. So the final answer is negative 5x plus 5. Another example is 6y minus 4y minus 5. So the terms that you need to combine are 6y and 4y because they both have the same variable, which is y. So 6 minus 4, that will be 2y. Or you can say 6 apples minus 4 apples is 2y, is 2 apples. And then just bring that down since you can't do anything about it. Like you can combine it with another number. So 2y minus 5 is the final answer. So last example, that will be negative 10a. Remember guys that aside from x and y, you can use any variable, or you can be exposed, or you can see any examples that the variables is not just x and y. It can be any letter from a to z. So negative 10a minus 3a plus 2. So this will be negative 10a plus negative 3a. Remember what I said earlier about subtracting another term. You can rewrite it as negative 10a plus negative 3a. So negative 10 plus negative 3 is going to be negative 13, because negative plus negative is negative. And then you just bring this down. Oops, we forgot to put a in here. So the answer is negative 13a plus 2. Alright, I hope you learned something from part 2 of combining like terms. More videos to come, and thank you for watching. See ya.